Tilao! Sa US naman, kakadoodle-doo! Alam nyo bang may isang zodiac animal na kilala na super confident, super loud, and always ready to shine? Tara, unboxan natin ang rooster. This time, may special guest tayo. Yan, si Inky sa likod. Ito yung box, no? Ang galing talaga. Yan ang rooster. Sa color yellow, mukha tuloy siyang chick, no? Year of the Rooster ka kung pinanganak ka noong 1933, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017 at ang susunod ay 2029. So kung kasama ka dyan, welcome to the Rooster Zodiac Club. Now for our paper reveal, yan. Si Hamburglar pa rin yung nasa loob, no? In the Chinese zodiac, the rooster symbolizes confidence, honesty, and hard work. Sila ay organized, outspoken, and very determined. Hindi sila nahihiyang magsabi ng opinion nila and they love doing things the right way. At alam mo ba, kagaya ko, super observant sila. Parang human alarm clock na laging alert. So Hamburglar, suot mo na yung costume mo. Ayan, let's go! Ang mga taong pinanganak ng Year of the Rooster ay known to be confident at mayroong bold personality. Sila din ay very hardworking and determined. Super honest din sila and straightforward. At may pagkausi sila dahil sila ay naturally organized and detail-oriented. At dahil medyo maingay sila, no, they love being the center of attention. So alam na this, no? So kung rooster ka, chances are ikaw yung leader ng barkada. Tama ba to? Comment down below kung tama yung mga sinabi ko. Of course, ito na ang mini horoscope mo for the year 2026. This is your time to bring new chances to shine and show your talents. Your super confidence may help you stand out in school, work, or creative projects. Super yakang-yaka yan. But always remember na chill ka lang, no? Medyo perfectionist kasi ang mga rooster. Do not be hard on yourself. Perfection doesn't have to be perfect. Parang gulo nun ah. Sa madaling salita, be proud, stay confident, and keep chasing your goals. Keep your head up and strut like a rooster.